nearly a mil as well, damn. Lightweight, got torque screws in the front, didn't learn by putting them under the skates. When will they learn? Weird base setup, it's like inside. It feels a bit like a Corsair glaive. It's average, it's a bit plasticky. Might never be able to show you inside this, can't get into it. Steelseries have foiled me. I think it's these clips at the front, but there's something pinning it here. I'm not sure this is the way you might take it apart, but that's where it's coming. It's got TTCs in it. Taking it apart's permanent weight mod, yeah. The base ain't ever going back. This clip, looks like maybe this clipping mechanism in this top part along this ridge. Right, there we go, there's clips. These are clipped along here. That first one went. Damn, son! Oh, I definitely broke a bit. See it? Yeah, there's one here, you can see the other one. Like in the black PCB. Oh, we got the best fix. We'll just fix this bit while we continue to take it apart. Before I forget. Right, well, where do we start? That was a bit more tricky than you thought. So let's look at the sides first. Five screws in here, 2 for the mains and 1 for the DPI by the looks of it. Monster DPI button. Youch. Now we can't take the buttons out because it's catching just here until we unscrew these 2 screws out. Well, Steelseries have certainly made this difficult to take apart. I was wrong, you can get these out first. That was 1 screw, you got to be joking me. It's like all my days in there. Let me show you the screen, I think it's easier with this. It's in there, right? But how can you get to it with this pillow being there? This doesn't come out. Normally I wouldn't be destructive, but we're going to do that because I want to see them anyway. Shit. This one we definitely broke straight away. Still can't get to the screws though. What's holding it in now? Oh my god, this thing's a nightmare. I wouldn't tear this one apart if you have a choice. This is not going to be easy. So these are micro switches, HT ones, I think. Can't recognise that name. Can I recognise that brand? I think it sits like that on the mouse and then it rocks. One screw on the clutch. Sprayed, that's going to wear after a short time. Be looking black straight through in a bit. Micro screw, tiny screw. There's another little screw here. This thing's been horrible to take apart. Right, and on to the next challenge, this bit. So it's rocking 80mm TTCs, which is good to see them using TTCs, but they can be a little bit mushy. It's also got a 14mm TTC encoder. I don't think I've ever seen a 14mm TTC, or 40mm encoder period. 30 I thought was the highest. That's a high encoder. Again, there's been such a mix of switches on this. We've got whatever these are. Then we've got the is it HCANK, whatever it's called? I can't remember that one. On the side, we've got the TTC mains. We've got another, whatever it is on this as a DPI. Like, damn, son. Right, we've got to take the PCB out first, by the looks of it. The world's biggest piece of foam. So we've got screw here, screw here, screw here. There's also one under this, so I have to take the battery out first, by the looks of it. No markings on it. So I'm going to go 400 milliamp. Definitely 400. Ooh. Don't know, it could be a 3. I think it's a 3, maybe a 350 then. Agreed, sir. It's not the best design, is it? I don't know what they've done. It just feels so bad. It's really good, Jason. Don't start chewing stuff. Look, hey, get off the battery. Yep. Stop. Get off. Chew the cable. Don't chew that cable. We're going to destroy more than I already have. Stop it. A 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. Oh man, what are you doing? Fairly heavy scroll wheel, but not as heavy as in the band. For PCB then, so we're rocking TTC80s, 80 millions, aren't they? Yeah. TTC 80 millions, we've got a 14mm encoder, which is unusual, so we've got these weird side button names, can't remember what the name is. It's like HCNK or something, or X. Bring up my magnifying glass. Let's check out the other bits. Oh, I'll pull that on, I'll cover the sensor up now, damn it. It's got a True Move Air in it apparently, don't know which one that is. It's rocking an N52833 MCU by the looks of it. So I'd say maybe a 3335, looking at that. Could be wrong there. Got an extended middle 3 one, goes quite nice with that one. 2 different versions of that one, like so many different switches. Now we've got little tiny screws down here. It took some effort to take apart this mouse, man. Well, on the positive there, this diffuse looks like it's going to just ping out. Yes. We'll definitely come off a weight reduction on this puppy. Damn, more, 4.5, 5 grams. Pretty light base, 8 grams, that's a decent weight of base that. Look at all the bits, man. Holy smokes.